Hey everyone, so I was trying to scramble to find my favorites for the month, and usually I kind of concentrate on beauty stuff, or I'll do it in a special category like my mom's favorites. This is really kind of like a randoms favorite. I'm going to show you a lot of random stuff. There might be some beauty and fashion stuff, but a lot of random stuff because this is stuff that I would like to share and I think I would find interesting. So the first random thing is this. My husband is so funny. He got this for me because I can never remember where I put my glasses. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just this little wooden nose and you place your glasses on top. So this sits on my night table now and I always know where my glasses are. I just thought it was so funny. This one he actually got from World Market. So if you're interested in that, it's from World Market and the price tag's still there. It's $5.99. So I thought that was really cute. Alright, now the next thing is a lifetime favorite, and I know that it has become a lot more popular here in North America in more recent years, but I have been playing this game for about 20 years, and it's the Settlers of Catan. This is actually a new one. The one that I have is in a Tupperware box, and it's kind of like the OG Settlers. So all the colors are different, the cards look different, the development cards look different. But we had bought so many other replacement pieces because I've lost so many pieces along the way that finally my husband was like, let's just get a new one because the puzzle pieces kind of weren't linking together anymore. Anyways, so we've been playing this since I lived in Vancouver. My sister introduced it to me. I think when she got it, she actually ordered it from Germany because there was nowhere you could buy it. So now you can just find it at Target. But anyways, this has been a lifelong favorite board game of mine. We play for hours and hours. We have friends that love it. We force our other friends who have never played it to play it. And it's just one of those games that I feel like I will never ever be tired of. So if you like strategy games, if you like games kind of like Risk, strategy, someone said it's kind of like Oregon Trail. I've never played that before, but you trade elements, you build settlements, you build cities, and your goal is to get to 10 points, like each house is a point and stuff like that. So I love playing it, and I have to say I'm pretty good at it. This is a lifelong favorite of mine. Like I said, I've been playing it for like 20 years. Okay, now the next thing is one of my very first, I think, YouTube videos. I shared this. And I had to pick some up the other day and I was like, you know, I don't know if I've shared this recently. So I thought I would share it with you. It's the Tide washing machine cleaner. Now, if you're a mom or not even a mom, if you just do laundry, I so often put a load in and then I walk away, come back, forget, whatever. And then your laundry machine starts getting that kind of musty smell from leaving the wet laundry in there. And usually I end up just running it again. And then I run it again because I forgot again. And then I run it again. Anyways, if you ever get kind of that mildewy, musty smell in your laundry machine, get this. It's the Tide washing machine cleaner. You get 3 of these pouches and you just dump it in. And then you just kind of run it like a normal wash cycle, obviously with no clothes in it. And it cleans your washing machine and gets rid of that musty smell. Because I feel like once you start getting the musty smell, you kind of can't get rid of it. And then it'll start making your clothes smell. So this has been a lifesaver for me many, many times. Okay, the other day we went on a little overnight trip and I forgot my shampoo, so I ran to CVS and I was like, I just need whatever kind of shampoo. And I saw this and I'd never seen it before. It's the Pantene Weekly Deep Cleanse with Mosa Mint Oil. I got it thinking that it was gonna smell kind of minty because my friend the other day when I went to her house, she had a Trader Joe's peppermint shampoo in her thing and I was like, where did you get that? It smelled so good, because of course I had to smell it. So I thought this would maybe smell minty. It doesn't, but I do not have silky hair. Like, you know how people like their hair will like fall in their face and they go like this and it just falls back? My hair doesn't do that. My hair is very not slippery. And I've never had slippery hair my whole life. I feel like after I've washed my hair with this, my hair is kind of slippery, and it's kind of a miracle because I've never had hair that falls in my face or like slips and slides. So, okay, this is like 3-day-old nasty hair, and I actually just accidentally squirted a bunch of dish soap in my hair. So don't look at my hair right now, but this stuff has been working really well and I actually really like it. And I'm glad I discovered it because I will definitely put it in my rotation now. Speaking of which, I just uploaded my jewelry haul my huge jewelry haul, so I thought I'd mention it because I can see it in the viewfinder. My friend has just opened her own online boutique, and she has a bunch of super cute jewelry. This is the heartbeat necklace, and there's a little dangly heart here, and it's dipped in 14 karat rose gold. And then she has a bunch of other ones. You know, these kind of earrings are in right now with like the bigger ball in the back. So these are from her too. I did a huge haul, so you can go watch that video, but I thought I'd mention it because I could see it in there. Okay, now another thing, you guys know how much I love my Erin Condren planner, and I had a little Moleskine address book. I love address books because I love writing letters, and my sweetie drew all over it on the front and back with a Sharpie, and I was so upset. And I was on the Erin Condren website just seeing if I needed anything, and I saw that they had address books. So I got this address, and it's the same size as the planner, but I love it because this is what it looks like on the inside. So each section has like a really cute quote, and then it has this, and you can write their birthdays in it. And then at the beginning of the address book, it also says like special dates. So you could write down birthdays, you could write down people's anniversaries, or, you know, other special dates that you want to remember. And then like the planner, it has a little Ziploc kind of thing in there, and then it has a keep it together pouch. And then there's a couple of pages for notes, which I put stuff like my Alaska Airlines, you know, number and things like that that I need to remember. So I thought I would show you guys that in case you guys are address book freaks like me. And on the whole stationery thing, isn't this gorgeous? Okay, this looks like leather, but it's obviously not. But I guess it's not obvious, but it's so beautiful. I love any kind of journals, things that I can write in, and I got this one at, where did I get this one? I think I got this one at Home Goods, and I want to say it was $6 or something. I just love it. It's really big, and see, I just like open up both sides, and you know, this is something that I'm speaking on, but you know, it's really nice to write on both sides, because I feel like some notebooks, it's only whatever handed you are, just that side. It's nice to write on. This one, it feels good writing on both, and I love that it's kind of bigger and wider and really opens up. So if you like journaling or you like notebooks kind of thing, really check out Home Goods TJ Maxx, because they have so many good, like, I buy way more journals than I will ever fill up, but they always have super cute ones like this, and I'm always like, I need them. Or I always think, oh, it'll be perfect for, you know, to stick in a present or whatever. So anyways. Oh, and then here's another thing that is from, I think this one's from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I'm pretty sure it's Marshalls. But I found this super cute Olivia & Joy purse. I really like the Olivia & Joy stuff because I feel like it looks more expensive than it is. This one was, I want to say $25 or $26, and I liked this color because I thought it'd be really nice for spring and summer. I very rarely buy bags that are not used for a diaper bag, but I saw this, I'm like, I owe it to myself to get a bag that's not a diaper bag. So it's like this, it has a zipper in the back, and then it just opens up. There's a pocket here, and then there's like a bigger pocket here. Just thought that was super cute. I have another Olivia & Joy bag that I do actually use as a diaper bag, and I got that one from TJ Maxx. But you know, it's all the same company. Okay, and then I just did a video about this too. I don't know when it's gonna go up, but China Glaze came out with all their spring colors, which I love, and that's what I have on my nails right now. So that is a fave. I love dark vampy colors for winter and stuff, but there's something about the bright happy colors that make me happy. The last thing I wanted to show you guys was this hat. I got it from Forever 21. I think it's normally just like $12, but I got it when I went to the Cabazon outlets, and it was, I think, $7, but it's so cute, and it actually fits my big head. Anyways, I am loving this hat. I wanted to show you guys some sandals I got from Target because I actually got 2 pairs of the same ones, and they're so comfortable, but I think I left them in the baby's room because I was trying them on in front of, because he has like a good mirror in his room, and then he fell asleep, so I was like, nuts, I should have got those before I started this video. I'll show you guys in my next favorites video because I've been wearing them every day because they're so comfortable, and they were BOGO, so that's even better. So anyways, I hope you guys are all doing really well. Really, I hope you guys are doing well. I know people say that. I really mean it, you guys. I really hope that you're doing well. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, and I'm super active on Instagram and Facebook, so if you guys want to talk and chat and share and look at pictures, I post way too many pictures, check me out there. It's just Add a Little About a Lot. So anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.